Novo craft where the silence speaks. Wood and stone, their stories peak. Hands at work, the world slows down. In every shape, a thoughtful sound. Quiet hands, steady flow. Piece by piece, we let it grow. No rush here, just time and grace. Novo craft, a mindful place. Clay and palm, a breath, a pause. Smoothing edges without a cause. Metal shines in soft lamplight. Simple beauty, pure and right. Quiet hands, steady flow. Piece by piece, we let it grow. No rush here, just time and grace. Novo craft, a mindful place. In every turn, a deeper peace. In every grain, a small release. This is more than tools and thread. It's peace and purpose, quietly spread. Novo craft, come take part. Where stillness meets the maker's art. Breathe it in, let it last. The joy of building things to last. Novo craft, come take part. Where stillness meets the maker's art. Breathe it in, let it last. The joy of building things to last.